Welcome to Week 4, Data Modeling Simplified, where we focus on building the brain of your Power BI reports. A strong data model is the foundation for accurate and fast reporting. If your reports are slow or showing incorrect data, the problem is often disconnected tables and poor performance. The solution is a strong data model serving as the foundation for your reports. Think of a data model using the Lego analogy. Raw data is a pile of unorganized bricks. The data model is the blueprint, organizing the pieces into a logical structure. The report is the finished, reliable set. The essential building blocks of a data model include tables, which store data in rows and columns, and relationships, which connect tables. Cardinality defines how records relate, and cross-filter controls how filters flow. Creating your first relationship involves 3 steps. First, identify the tables. Second, choose the key columns to connect them. Third, create the relationship to link the tables for combined analysis. In a real-world scenario like sales performance analysis, a well-defined star schema can unify sales data and allow you to analyze performance across products, customers, time, and locations. To achieve a model for success, align your analytics with business goals and analyze across key dimensions. Drive customer-centric decisions and leverage a star schema to unlock a data-driven advantage. Avoid common pitfalls like ignoring business requirements or poor data quality. Also, be careful not to overcomplicate the model or ignore scalability and change, which can lead to technical debt. Mastering the star schema is a pro edge. Keep it simple and powerful. Use surrogate keys, keep dimension tables denormalized, and ensure consistency when naming and documenting your work. Here is your 5-minute modeling challenge. Build a star schema. Define keys and relationships. Establish one-to-many relationships. Add measures like sales amount, and finally, validate your model. Next week, we'll dive into DAX fundamentals. We will cover core concepts, calculated columns and measures, filter context, and practical examples to master the basics and drive better insights. Elevate your data with AzeezConsulting. You can schedule a lesson, reach out via email, or check out our YouTube channel. Join us next week for DAX fundamentals.